One of the little issues we had when we went to Scarborough was we were getting water in the bilges, and some of it was backflowing through the bilge pump, or the bilge pumps. Now this is a bilge pump non-return valve, and the little arrow, I don't know if you can see that just on there, shows the direction of flow. So bilge pump is at this side, discharge is at that side, and it doesn't allow any fluid to come backwards. So we have these to fit. Now to do that, this is a stepped version. We want that diameter, not the small one, so we'll just cut those ends off. So that's it, cut to length. Now we've just got to find where we're going to fit it. The book I use a lot is the Boat Owner's Mechanical and Electrical Manual. It covers just about everything that you want on a boat. And the other good thing it's used for is it lifts up my sofa just enough so I can get the hatches up. There we are. Sorry, Nigel Calder. So that's the bilge pump outlet line there, and I'm going to fit the non-return valve just here, right where that tie wrap is. So we'll just have to cut that tie wrap, then it's marked ready to cut, so we just slice that through with a Stanley knife and slip the non-return valve in. And so there, that's cut, and it did have water in it, look. And we don't run that bilge pump, so that I think shows that we have been getting some backfeed. And so, just like that, there we are. Directional arrow is there, pointing that way, and that way is out. So we've just got to refasten this up and tidy up, and that's the job done. And there we are, we've just supported it at both sides as well, so that's all neatly fastened off. Just this vessel coming into view now hasn't moved for quite a few years, and the guys are going out fishing. We've got quite a high tide today, but we've got a slight westerly, strong westerly, so she's a wee bit choppy out there. There's a yacht coming up now, it's bouncing a bit against the wind. boys coming back. Just waiting for the lock.
Oh, did you actually walk?
No, no. You made it! To Grimsby and back.
Yeah, we meet up to Grimsby. There's something on the seat incident there. We can't get in the gate.
Not good conditions out there. Rather you than me. So these guys on the visitor pontoon have had a slightly interesting journey. They left here this morning to go down to Grimsby in bad weather. It's quite stormy out there. They got there and Grimsby wouldn't let them in. Some unforeseen incident. These little fellas have really grown up. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to see more motor cruising on Ava Grace.